Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Fortnite on Android. To install Fortnite, first go to a browser and search for epic.download. And go. And then it will redirect you to this page. Click on install on Android, then download anyway, and click on open, then settings, and allow unknown apps from your browser, then click on install and open. Now you can allow or disallow notifications and click on install next to Fortnite, and you can see it will start installing the app. Then click on settings to allow unknown apps from Epic Games, then click on install and then click on open. Now the app will open and it will start downloading additional files. This might be big. You can see for me it's 16 gigabytes, so you just need to wait a while until the files download. And now everything has been downloaded, all of the additional files. You can log in with Epic Games and then start to play Fortnite. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.